For number 1, the given is the limit of 2y squared minus 5y plus 1 as y approaches to 2. The first thing we need to do is to substitute the value of y, which is 2, to all our variable y in our given. And it would be 2 times 2 squared minus 5 times 2 plus 1. And now, let's start to simplify it. Just copy 2, and 2 squared is equal to 4. Negative 5 times 2 is equal to negative 10. Copy positive 1. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Negative 10 plus 1 is equals to negative 9. 8 minus 9 is equal to negative 1. Therefore, the limit of 2y squared minus 5y plus 1 is equal to negative 1. For item number 2, the given is the limit of t cubed minus 1 over t minus 1 as x approaches to 1. If we look clearly on our given, we can see that this can be factored out. So the first thing we need to do is to get the factor of our given. And it would be t minus 1 times t squared plus t plus 1 over t minus 1. Let's cancel the common factor, which is t minus 1. And we would get t squared plus t plus 1. And now, let's substitute the value of our y, which is 1, to the valuable y in our given. And it would be 1 squared plus 1 plus 1. And now, let's start to simplify it. 1 squared is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, the limit of the t cubed minus 1 over t minus 1 as x approaches to 1 is equals to positive 3.
Of x as 7 squared to minus 12x. To define is 7 times 3 x squared to minus 12 times 3 equals is 7 times 9 minus 36 equals is 63 minus 36 equals is 27. Limit of x 2 times minus 1 2 over times plus 3 equal is 2 times negative 2 minus 1 over negative 2 plus 3 or equal is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 1 over is 1 equal is negative 5 over 1 is equal negative 5.
For number 5, the given is limit of 3 minus 2s over s squared plus 5 as s approaches to 4. First thing we need to do is substitute the value of s to 4. So the given will be limit of 3 minus 2 times 4 over 4 squared plus 5. Multiply the 2 for the equal will be 8, and 4 squared is equal to 16. So 3 minus 8 over 16 plus 5 is equal to negative 5 over 21. For number 6, the given is x squared plus 6x over 2 minus x plus 3x squared as x approaches to negative 1. First, we need to substitute the value of x to negative 1. So our given will become negative 1 squared plus 6 times negative 1 over 2 minus negative 1 plus 3 times negative 1 squared. Multiply the negative 1 and it will become 1 plus negative 6 over 3 plus 3, and the answer is negative 5 over 6.
Number 7, our given is the limit of x squared minus x minus 6 over x squared plus x minus 12 as x approaches to 3. If we look clearly on our given, we can see that this can be factored out. Therefore, we would get its factor, and it would be x plus 2 times x minus 3 over x minus 3 times x plus 4. We can see that we have a common factor, which is x minus 3, so we will cancel it out. And we would get x plus 2 over x plus 4. And now, let's substitute the given value of x, which is 3, to all the variable x we have in the given, and it would be 3 plus 2 over 3 plus 4. And now, let's simplify it. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Therefore, the limit of x squared minus x minus 6 over x squared plus x minus 12 as x approaches to 3 is equals to 5 over 7. For number 8, our given is the limit of square root of 6x squared minus 6 as x approaches to negative 5. The first thing we need to do is to substitute the given value of x, which is negative 5, to all of the x's we have in the given, and it would be square root of 6 times negative 5 squared minus 6. And now, let's simplify it. Bring down 6. Negative 5 squared is equals to 25. Bring down negative 6. 6 times 25 is equals to 150 minus 6. 150 minus 6 is equals to 14. The square root of 14 is equals to 12. Therefore, the limit of square root of 6x squared minus 6 as x approaches to negative 5 is equals to 12. For item number 9, the given is the limit of cube square root of 2x cubed plus 7x as x approaches to 4. The first thing we need to do is to substitute the given value of x, which is 4, to all the variable x we have in the given, and it would be cube square root of 2 times 4 cubed plus 7 times 4. And now, let's start to simplify it. Just bring down 2. 4 cubed is equals to 64. 7 times 4 is equals to 28. 2 times 64 is equals to 128. Just bring down positive 28. 128 plus 28 is equals to 156. Since we cannot further simplify 156, therefore, cube square root of 156 is our final answer. And the limit of cube square root of 2x cubed plus 7x as x approaches to 4 is equals to cube square root of 156. For item number 10, the given is the limit of 2x plus 16 over square root of 9 minus 2x minus 5 as x approaches to negative 8. As we can see, we have a radical denominator. Therefore, we have to rationalize it by multiplying both numerator and denominator by square root of 9 minus 2x plus 5. And it would be 2x plus 16 over square root of 9 minus 2x minus 5 times square root of 9 minus 2x plus 5 over square root of 9 minus 2x plus 5. And now, let's simplify it. 2x plus 16 times square root of 9 minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 2x plus 16 times square root of 9 minus 2x plus 5. Square root of 9 minus 2x minus 5 times square root of 9 minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 9 minus 2x minus 25. Just bring down 2x plus 16 times square root of 9 minus 2x plus 5. And for the denominator, let's combine like terms, which is 9 and negative 25, and it would be negative 16 times 2x. And let's factor out negative sign in the expression, and it would be 2x plus 16 times square root of 9 minus 2x plus 5 over negative 2x plus 16. And let's cancel out the common factor, which is 2x plus 16. And it would be negative square root of 9 minus 2x plus 5. And now, let's substitute the given value of x, which is negative 8, to all the variables x we have in the given. And it would be negative square root of 9 minus 2 times negative 8 plus 5. And simplify it. Just bring down 9. Negative 2 times negative 8 is equals to positive 16. Just bring down positive 5. 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. Just bring down positive 25. Square root of 25 is equals to 5. Just bring down positive 25. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Since we have a negative sign outside in the parentheses, our answer is negative 10. Therefore, the limit of 2x plus 16 over square root of 9 minus 2x minus 5 as x approaches to negative 8 is equals to negative 10.